Hello and welcome to Peggy's Tropical Garden. Coming to you from the Florida Keys with an Amazon plant unboxing. As you may know, I've been searching for a Raven ZZ for quite some time at a reasonable price, and I finally found one on Amazon from Costa Farm. So I'm excited about this Raven ZZ unboxing. Here she is in this box that arrived undamaged, clearly marked with which end was the top so that you didn't get your plant upside down. It's marked perishable. I love that. On here is the contact information in case there's any problems. Also some information regarding temperatures. All right, let's go on and I'll start opening this box. This plant was offered on Amazon for $36.99, free shipping with Amazon Prime. And the title read Costa Farms Raven ZZ Trending Tropicals Collection, 12 inches tall, white decor pot. The body of the ad stated that it will be in a grow pot dropped into a 6-inch white decor planter, and the plant height will be 12 to 14 inches from the bottom of the pot to the top of the plant. When I bought my other plant from Costa Farm, it said it was in a white ceramic pot. So I'm hoping this one is also, even though it calls it a white decor planter this time. And I can see that their packaging is consistent because this one is packaged identically to the Adansonii that I bought last time. Okay. Well, it looks like this plant is pretty tall, so I'm happy about that. And there's some paperwork in here, a little thank you booklet, and just with some different information on things that Costa Farms offers, as well as a care sheet. So last time I did not get any of this paperwork in the box, so this is nice. And on the back, it's just telling you to go to their Instagram page, I guess. So let's get this open. This is packaged very nicely. So far, no loose soil. I don't notice any dampness anywhere. There seems to be no problems. I have no complaints thus far. Once I remove it from the packaging, I will do measurements and things like that, so we'll see how accurate the description is. And this does appear to be the white ceramic pot. Reading the reviews, some people were saying when it said white decor planter that they were plastic pots. So I'm happy to see that this one is the white ceramic. And while I'm working on this bubble wrap, I just want to remind you that Amazon's plant policy is no refunds and no returns. So if you get a seller who's willing to work with you, then it's all good. Otherwise, you won't get any returns or refunds if you have a problem. Now the moment of truth. Let's see this ZZ plant. I'm so excited. Ooh, look at this. This is a nice looking plant. Let's see, it's got some tape on here. I don't want to get overly excited, but so far she's looking fabulous. And this is a good size plant, and it's nice and full. My Monstera was short and skimpy, but this one is fabulous. I'm very pleased. All right, and let's see how it's... Okay, there's some plastic around the top that's keeping the soil in. This has been very neat. And this is how they packaged it. Have you noticed how nice and neat this has been? No soil everywhere. That's it in the pot. You see that? Just a little teeny bit. We're going to take this plastic off, and then we will get to the measurements and things. And like they said in the ad, it's a nursery pot that was dropped into the decor planter, and that is accurate. And so they said it was going to be, what was it? Between 12 and 14 inches. And that's from the bottom of the pot to the top of the plant, which I don't understand, but that's the way they measure it. I'm going to give you a quick close-up view. Do you see this plant? There is no damage to this plant at all. It looks very healthy. Didn't do anything. Shipping, it went through the mail system perfectly. No problems. See some tubers here on the top, and this pot is really firm. So I want to pull this plant out to see if it's root bound. Like really stuck in here. Look at that. It's got some roots coming out of the bottom, and the plant is really stuck. So I'm pretty sure this is going to be a root bound plant. It's probably going to be ready for repotting already. It made it through the mail. I don't want to be the one to tear it up, but I'm having a hard time getting this. There we go. Yep, just like I suspected. This is root bound and ready to be repotted. The roots look really healthy. And it's got tubers everywhere. Look at these. Oh my goodness. All my plants lately are coming with tubers. And it looks like it's potted up in cocoa peat. So nice and light. And the soil is dry. So they didn't ship it all soggy or anything. Yeah, so, and I'm looking just to check it out, make sure it's healthy. All I see there might be some, I don't know if that's rub damage or insect damage on a few of the stems, but otherwise this plant is looking good. I'm not going to repot it right now, but it is definitely ready to be repotted. I have to say I'm a lot happier with this plant than I was with my Monstera. So now I'm going to put it back in the ceramic pot and we're going to do the measurements. And they do it from the bottom of the pot, not the bottom of the plant. So let's see. They say it's going to be 12 to 14 inches from the bottom of the pot to the top of the plant. And 12 inches is no problem. This one is 18 inches. Still don't understand why they don't measure from the base of the plant, but oh well. And it says it's going to be in a 6-inch pot, and this is a 6-inch pot. So everything is definitely as advertised, and this plant seems to be in excellent condition. Everything just as advertised. I'm very pleased with this purchase. At this time, Raven ZZs are very hard to come by. If they're abundant in your area, then I'm sure you can beat the price of $36.99. But right now in my area, they're hard to come by. You're paying that for just a portion of this plant, just one section of it. So for the price, $36.99, coming in a ceramic pot with free shipping, I'm quite pleased. I can't beat that anywhere around here. So now I'm going to just show you real quick where I put it in my home. So this plant would thrive outside on my patio, but I just couldn't do it. This thing is gorgeous and I have to be able to see it. So for now, it's going in my house, in my living area where the TV is. And now I'm just going to wipe the leaves off so they're nice and shiny and sit back and enjoy my ZZ Raven that I've been looking for so long. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for stopping by. And if you are looking for one of these are at present still being offered on Amazon for $36.99.